This compact tabletop fireplace delivers a surprisingly robust, cozy flame that feels perfect for small patios, balconies, and campsite picnic tables. Its ability to burn either traditional wood logs or efficient wood pellets makes it very flexible for different outdoor setups and fuel availability. When used with pellets, the flame pattern weaves and dances in a way that feels more like a showpiece than a simple heat source, adding real ambiance for gatherings. The stainless steel body with heat-resistant coating feels solid and built for repeated trips in a car trunk or recreational vehicle, especially with the included carrying bag. Thoughtful airflow engineering and a raised combustion ring help it burn more completely, so there is noticeably less smoke and ash than with a typical open fire pit of similar size. Multiple size and color options make it easy to match this fireplace to different outdoor spaces, or give it as a gift that feels personal rather than generic.